Guys, I made this without sugar or flour. So get 3 bananas, 2 eggs, get a blender, put in your bananas. Like I'm using 3 bananas. Then I'm going to put my egg and then another egg, and then I pour in my milk and I blend. Yes, I'm blending it because I want an even texture. So I'm going to pour my already blended mixture, and I pour in my blended oats and I stir. Guys, this is so quick and easy. I add my baking powder and I add cinnamon, and I also add grounded pepper. I add in a little oil. Yes guys, I add little oil. The next thing is to get a pan. I grease my pan and then I pour in my butter. Guys, you can either increase or reduce any of these ingredients. So the next thing would be to make some toppings. I make toppings with some almond seed and then cashew nuts and then finally chia seeds. Guys, this is amazing because everything here is just organic except for the baking powder, which is a must. So I make some toppings with chia seed, and guys, it is time to bake. This is looking beautiful already, and after baking on low heat, this is what you get. So quick and easy, and this is so delicious. This is ideal for breakfast or when you need something very healthy to snack on. You can prep this. Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe. Very quick and easy and simple, and these are some of the things you always have around you. So thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.